Welcome to Money Matrix, the smart path to freedom. In our last mission, we built our digital identity. We understood that in a world of online noise, our reputation and credibility are our currency. Today, we're taking the next logical step. We're moving beyond simply being present online and learning how to build a system that works for us. We're talking about automation and scaling. Remember how we talked in part 1 about money as energy? For most people, that energy is constantly drained. They're stuck on a hamster wheel, trading hours for dollars, and performing the same repetitive tasks every single day. They're caught in a cycle of production, but they're not building a machine. And if they're not building a machine, they can't scale. They are the machine. But what if I told you there's a different way? What if you could build a system where the energy you put in multiplies, allowing you to earn while you sleep? This isn't about laziness. It's about leverage. It's about building a fortress of financial freedom. And the key to building this fortress is artificial intelligence. Many people think AI is a tool to replace us. They see it as a threat. But in the Money Matrix, we see it as our ultimate ally. AI is not a threat to our creativity. It's an accelerator. It allows us to automate the tedious, repetitive tasks so we can focus on the truly important work: innovation, strategy, and deep connection with our audience. We use AI not to become robots, but to become more human, to free up our time and energy for what really matters. Here's how we integrate AI for a natural workflow that enables scaling. Scaling content creation. You are a creator, but you don't have to do it all alone. I can be your writing partner. Use it to brainstorm ideas for your next video. Give it a topic, and it can generate a list of different angles, titles, and subheadings. Draft scripts. I can help you outline and even write a first draft, saving you hours of staring at a blank page. Generate descriptions and tags. Once your video is ready, let AI write a compelling description and generate a list of SEO-friendly tags to help it get discovered. For example, imagine a YouTube creator in the finance space wants to make one video per week. By using an AI to generate scripts and outlines, they can now create a week's worth of content in a single day. The AI does the heavy lifting of organizing the information and finding the best titles, allowing the creator to focus on adding their unique insights and personality. This is scaling their content output without a proportional increase in effort. By using AI to automate the creative process, you can double, triple, or even quadruple your content output. You're not outsourcing your soul. You're automating the mechanics. Scaling audience engagement. The core of a strong digital identity is engagement. But how can you respond to every comment and every message? You don't have to. Use AI to filter comments, identify the most important questions or positive feedback. Draft responses. An AI can draft a polite and helpful response to a common question, which you can then review and send with a personal touch. Analyze sentiment. Use AI to understand what your audience loves and dislikes. It can read thousands of comments and tell you the overall mood, helping you tailor your future content. For example, your channel has grown to thousands of subscribers, and your comment section is a lively, active community. Instead of spending hours scrolling through every message, you can use an AI tool to automatically filter out spam and flag questions that need a personal response. This allows you to scale your community management, ensuring you can connect with your most valuable followers without sacrificing your time. This isn't about faking sincerity. It's about ensuring your community knows you're listening, even when you're busy building the rest of your empire. Scaling, monetization, and marketing. This is where the real power of scaling comes in. We're going to use AI to make your marketing a passive system. Email marketing. Use AI to write personalized email subject lines that get more opens. Let it segment your audience so you can send the right message to the right person at the right time. Affiliate marketing. AI can analyze your content and recommend products that are a natural fit for your audience, increasing your conversion rates without any extra effort on your part. Ad optimization. If you ever run ads, AI can analyze data to determine the best time, place, and people to target, making every coin you spend work harder. In the matrix of wealth, the one who wins isn't the one who works the hardest. It's the one who builds the smartest system. Automation is your engine, and AI is your fuel. It allows you to transform from a simple content creator into a self-sustaining business. It frees you from the mundane so you can focus on your purpose, your unique message. But be careful, traveler. As we explored in Part 4, every powerful tool has a potential for misuse. Don't let AI be a crutch. Use it to amplify your authentic voice, not to replace it. The audience can always tell the difference between a real message and a manufactured one. We are growing beyond limits. We're not just creating a channel, we're building a system designed for ultimate freedom. So, take this next step with us. Like, subscribe and write in the comments, I grow beyond limits. Part 7 shows the global market, and it's where we start thinking bigger than ever before.